Okay, so I recently had the idea to make a plant-based panna cotta using silken tofu. I think that texture is gonna work really well in panna cotta. And panna cotta is basically like a creamy pudding that's traditionally made with gelatin. And it's usually served with some kind of fruit or caramel compote on top. So today for the compote, I'm gonna use some rhubarb from the farmer's market. Rhubarb is in season right now and I love it, so I'm gonna utilize it for this panna cotta. Rhubarb compote is super easy to make, but it turns out so luxurious. I trimmed any tough ends of the rhubarb and sliced it into 1-inch pieces, added it to a pot, along with some maple syrup, and vanilla extract. I brought it to a simmer and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until really soft and jammy. It turns out this beautiful electric pink color. And that's it. Rhubarb compote is so good on desserts, on porridge or yogurt bowls, or even on toast. Then to make the panna cotta, I added the silken tofu to a blender along with lemon zest, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and I blended everything until smooth. I added the mixture to a small saucepan along with some arrowroot powder for thickening. I heated it up over medium heat for about 5 minutes, whisking the whole time until the mixture thickened, transferred it to these cute cups, and I let it cool at room temperature. At this point, the texture should be jiggly like this, then transferred to the fridge to cool completely. Next, I got started on making beet caviar, which is like a beet and walnut spread that's really delicious. I had these beautiful beets from the farmer's market. I'd already separated and sauteed their tops, which were beautiful and bushy. I boiled the beets till tender, then strained them. I toasted some walnuts and peeled the beets. Added the beets to a food processor along with some garlic, the walnuts, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Blitzed everything together until smooth. Chopped up some dill, added that to a food processor, and pulsed it. And that's it. This is such a delicious way to enjoy beets. Whoa, I'm so impressed with how these turned out. It's so good. The tofu and the arrowroot powder did exactly what I wanted them to do and what I was hoping for them to do. And, you know, they thickened into this beautiful panna cotta texture. Yum. For dinner that night, I made some socca, also known as farinata. It's a chickpea flour pancake that's custardy on the inside and crispy on the outside. I make my own chickpea flour, which is very easy to do with a high-speed blender, except that it's incredibly loud, so I wear noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. The ratio for socca is 1:1 flour to water. I added the water slowly, whisking it in little by little to avoid lumps. Added salt, lots of pepper, olive oil, whisked it all together, and this is really important. I let it sit for an hour, which allows the chickpea flour to hydrate. I preheated the oven to 450 F and let my cast iron skillet heat up there as well. Oiled the skillet and added the batter, evening it out with a spoon. I baked the socca for about 25 minutes until nice and golden on top. Sliced it and enjoyed it with some salad and that beet caviar for dipping. This combo was really good, though not traditional at all.